everyone, this is Grace the Nurse with today's Health Tips in Minutes. I'm getting ready to sit down and enjoy my lunch in a parking lot. I know, really great view. Anyway, I just want to remind you with, the major concerns about coronavirus, make sure to wash your hands or clean your hands before you sit down to eat. So always make sure to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. But if you're not near a sink like me, because I'm in a parking lot, grab a bottle of hand sanitizer, put some hand sanitizer in your hands, and make sure to rub your hands until they're dry to make sure that you get rid of as much germs from your hands as much as possible. So yeah, just make sure always clean your hands, wash your hands before you eat, and hopefully that will protect you from coronavirus or even just any virus or any germs. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a good lunch. Oh, and by the way, check out my Eagles lunch bag. Go Eagles! All right, have a good day. Bye.